Hey everyone, I am MJ Ratter for Leonas, and if you want to learn a lot and gain more knowledge, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today, we're diving into the exciting world of verbs. If you ever wondered what makes sentence stick, you're in the right place, kaya let's go! But before that, I want you to follow me. Ready? Okay, I want to run, 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 run. I want to dance, 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 dance. I want to eat, erp, erp, erp. It's all actions. Hooray! So, do you guys know what we dance about? Very good. It's about actions or verb. What exactly is a verb? In simple terms, a verb is a word that shows action or state or being. Think of it as the engine that drives in your sentence. Without verb, we wouldn't be able to express what's happening. Let's look some examples. Here's a sentence. She runs every morning. The word runs is the verb because it tells us what she is doing. Now, in the sentence, he is happy. The word is the verb because it shows state of being. Verbs can be action verbs like jump, ride, or dance, and they can also be linking verbs. A linking verb connects the subject of a sentence to a subject complement, which can be noun, pronoun, or adjective that describes or identifies the subject. Common linking verbs include forms to be, is, are, was, and were. Example, she is happy. Here is the linking verb, connecting the subject she to the adjective happy, which described here. Now, let's talk about verb tenses. Verb tenses tell us when an action happens, past, present, or future. Past tense describes something that has already happened. Example, she ran yesterday. The word run is a verb. Then yesterday is a past tense. Next is the present tense. Describes something happening now. Example, she runs every day. Every day is the present tense. Future tense describes something that will happen. Example, she ran tomorrow. Tomorrow is the future tense. Each tense can be further broken down into simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous form. But that's topic for another video. Now, I will examine you if you have learned about verbs. So, let's go. Then, please tell what is verb in the sentence. Alma is eating avocado. Where is the verb in the sentence? Where? Eating? Very good. Number 2. Jonah is running. Where is the verb in the sentence? Running? Yes, that's great. And last one. The dog is barking. Oh, that's great. For example, number 4. Jmar and Lebron are playing basketball. Where is the verb in the sentence? Where? Basketball? Great! You guys are great. And also, number 5. Anna and Mary are reading the book. Where is the verb in the sentence? Where? Reading? Very good. You all guys have 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you have learned something about the verb. And next mission, define where is the past tense, present tense, and future tense in the sentence. Number 1. I studied hard yesterday. What is this tenses? What? Past? That's great. In number 2, I am learning new things today. What is this tenses? Present? Good job. And third one, I will achieve my goals tomorrow. What is this tenses? That's great. It's future. Very good. I think that you have learned about verbs today. And alright folks, that's a wrap on today's verb tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below with any questions you have about verbs. Thanks for watching and see you next time on my YouTube channel. Bye bye!